This is lesson 1.4 for Kurzweil 3000, the web-based version, in which you will open a document and use references or dictionaries. So the first thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome by clicking on this icon. In the address bar, type in Kurzweil3000.com and then press the Enter key on your computer. Next thing you do is log into Kurzweil by putting in your username, which follows this pattern of your first initial, then your last name, and then MPC for most people. The password is almost always MPC12345, unless you've changed it. We all have that password. And then you click on the login button. Okay, so we're going to open up something in the nonfiction book bag. The way you do that is click on the triangle next to that title. We're going to go to grade 8. Click once on that. And then click on the Osceola, Patriot, and Warrior. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to page 4 by going in the lower left corner, this little box here, and type in 4 and click on Go. Okay, so we're going to find the word mosquitoes in the third paragraph here. So we have the first paragraph, second, and third. I'm going to highlight that word. Our dictionary lives in the upper right-hand corner, right here, this open book. This is the references section. So the first thing you're going to be doing is going to the dictionary, clicking once on that, and you're going to expose this box, which has the definition. You're going to copy this very first sentence in your assignment for the word mosquitoes. Okay, and then I'm going to X out that box. The next thing you'll be doing is going again to the references to the picture dictionary. You're going to click on picture dictionary, and then you're going to do a quick sketch of this picture that's showing for mosquitoes. Now, a lot of words don't have a picture for them, but many do. So I just want you to know that this is available to you if you come across a word perhaps that you've never seen before and you want to see if there's a picture of it. The next thing you're going to do is highlight a different word. In the previous paragraph here, I want you to highlight the word enormous. You're going to go again to your references section down to synonyms. So we're going to look for words that are the same or similar to the word enormous. I'm going to click once on synonyms. And you're going to be copying down the first 2 synonyms for that word. These right here. Okay, and then go ahead and X out that box. The last thing you're going to do is go get a Spanish translation of that word, and you go right back to the references section. Oops. Go down to translation. Now here you can pick, if you'll notice, if I click on this little triangle here, there's a lot of different languages I could translate to. Right now we're just going to translate to Spanish. It should be the default, but if not, then go ahead and select that. Over here too, if your word is from a different language, you can select what language it's coming from. We're just going to say to keep it on detect language. So there's our word enormous. And then if you press this button, translate, then the translation appears right here. Okay, so you're just going to write that down for your assignment. Going to close this box. Okay, so that's all about the reference section. We're going to log out now in the upper right hand corner by just clicking on log out. And then we're going to close the window by clicking on the X.